Assalamualaikum and welcome to everyone. Today our topic is teaching methods. Today we will learn about teaching methods. What kind of teaching methods we can use inside the classroom to teach the children, to teach the students they learn betterly. Here we will discuss about the main teaching methods that are usable inside the classroom. Number first is lecture method. Number second is inquiry based learning. Number third is project based learning. Number fourth is problem based learning, and number fifth is flipped classroom teaching method. Now we will discuss about how we can use the main teaching methods inside the classroom. We can explain it as there is no one best teaching method that is suitable for every learner and every subject. Different teaching methods may be more or less effective depending on the material being taught, the student being taught, and the instructor teaching style. Some common teaching methods include, as we already discussed about them, we can explain them as the first one is lecture method. This is very simple way of teaching. We can explain it as the method involves the instructor presenting information to the student through a talk or presentation. The next one method is inquiry based learning. Inquiry means to ask something. We can explain it as this method involves student asking questions and seeking answers through exploration and investigation. Now we will discuss about the next method of teaching. The next method of teaching is project-based learning. We can explain it as this method involves student learning through the completions of long-term projects or series of small projects. Now we will discuss about the next teaching method. The next teaching method is problem-based learning, as in this method involves students learning through the analysis and resolution of real-world problems. Now we will discuss about the last method of this slide is flipped classroom method. We can explain flipped classroom method as this method involves students watching lectures and completing other coursework outside of the class, and then using class time to engage in activities such as discussion, problem solving, and project work. Thank you for watching. If you didn't like and subscribe yet, please like us and subscribe us for more informative videos.